Hello students, today I'll discuss with you the topic summarizing. इस टॉपिक में हमें एक पैसेज मिलेगा और उस पैसेज से हमें एक समरी बनानी है. Little bit different from the topic Pressy. So for making a press summary is only slightly different from making a Pressy. In this question the word limit is not necessarily 1/3. जैसा कि हमें पता है कि प्रेसी जब हम बनाते हैं तो हमें जो पैसेज है उसका 1/3 बनाना होता है, बट यहाँ वो लिमिटेशन नहीं है. In this question the word limit is not necessarily 1/3 of the given passage. The number of words is either given in the question or else it is left to the student. The heading is also not necessary unless otherwise mentioned. प्रेसी में हम क्या करते हैं कि हमें एक टाइटल देना होता है और जो पैराग्राफ है उसका 1/3 बनाना होता है, बट समराइजिंग में ऐसा नहीं है. इसको हम एक एग्जांपल के थ्रू समझते हैं. सो वी हैव वन एग्जांपल. रेजिडेंट्स ऑफ भिरुंग राउत की गली वेयर उस्ताद बिस्मिल्ला was born on March 21st, 1916 were in shock. His cousin 94-year-old Mohd Idris Khan had tears in his eyes. Subhan Khan, the caretaker of Bismillah's land, recalled, whenever in Dumarao he would give ₹2 to the boys and ₹5 to the girls of the locality. He was very keen to play Shehnai again in the local Bihariji's temple, where he had started playing Shehnai with his father Bachai Khan at the age of 6. His original name was Kumaruddin and became Bismillah Khan only after he became famous as Shehnai player in Varanasi. His father Bachai was the official Shehnai player of Keshav Prasad Singh, the Maharaja of the erstwhile Dumarao estate. Bismillah used to accompany him. For Bismillah Khan, the connection began at a very early age. By his teens, he had already become a master of the Shehnai. On the day India gained freedom, Bismillah Khan, then sprightly 31-year-old, had the rare honor of playing from Red Fort. But Bismillah Khan won't just be remembered for elevating the Shehnai from an instrument heard at wedding and Noba Khans to one that was appreciated in concert halls across the world. His life was testimony to the plurality that is India. Practicing Muslim, he would take a daily dip in the Ganges in his younger days. After a bout of kusti in Benia Baga Akhada, where every morning Bismillah Khan would do riyaz at the Balaji temple on the bank of the river. Even during his final hours in Varanasi's hospital, music didn't desert Bismillah. A few hours before he passed away early on Monday, the Shehnai wizard hummed a thumri to show that he was feeling better. This was typical of a man for whom life revolved around music. Throughout his life, he abided by the principle that all religions are one. What marked Bismillah Khan was his simplicity and disregard for the riches that come with musical fame. Till the very end, he used a cycle rickshaw to travel around Varanasi, but the pressure of providing for some 60 family members took its toll during his last years. ये हमारे पास एक पैसेज है और इस पैसेज के जब हम समरी बनाएंगे, उसको समराइज़ करेंगे, तो इट विल बी लाइक अ प्रेसी की तरह होगी, बट लिमिटेशन नहीं है कि हमें 1/3 ही बनाना है. इट कैन बी द वर्ड्स कैन बी एक्सटीड फ्रॉम 1/3 और कैन बी लेस देन 1/3. सो ये डिफरेंस है. सो लेट्स सी द समरी. Ustad Bismillah Khan, born and brought up at Dumra, got the taste of music at a very early age. of life. He started accompanying his father, who was an official musician at the estate of Dumrao. He got the honor to play his Thumri tune at Red Fort on the occasion of independence. And it's believed that all the religions are one. He believed in the equality of the all religion. He was secular. He led a life of simplicity, and music was his soul. And even on his deathbed, he played his last Thumre in the hospital at Varanasi. So, this was a summary of the paragraph. Thank you, students. Keep watching for the next video. And if you want to see more videos or the coming videos on your topics, please like and subscribe this channel so that you can get the notification. Thank you. Have a nice day.